Recently, the scientists freeze Great Barrier Reef coral in the world first trials. Exactly what it is all about. The coral reef are damaging due to the high temperatures. Coral bleaching हो रहा है. उसको बचाने के लिए scientists are discovering a method so they can preserve the corals in through the artificial method, and after some time they can release them in the sea. So they are searching for the new methods. Recently they found the methods. According to that, they can preserve the corals in some artificial mesh type structures they discovered it about. Initially, the question was asked in 2022 about the BioRock technology. BioRock technology that is also related to the coral reefs. So recently, they discovered a new technology. So it's the highest chance they can ask about the question on the new discovered technology. What is the major need for the freezing coral? Due to the protections of the coral reefs, which can help in the protection of the environment as well. So as the ocean temperature is increasing and destabilizing the ecosystem of the coral, temperature की वजह से जो melting of ice हो रहा है, sea level is increase हो रहा है, the level of temperature level of the sea water is also increasing day by day. So it's impacting the coral reef directly, because the coral reef can sustain up to a temperature of 20 to 23 degrees Celsius, not more than that. So they are creating a way by which the damaged coral can be saved and can be reintroduced into the sea after some time. So they are seeing for the methods is the cryo mesh. Cryo mesh is a mesh type structure. It's a mesh type structure that is developed by the scientists. Under this mesh type structure, they are maintaining a temperature even in the minus 190, 180, 170, and they can even store the coral in this cryo mesh and then release that coral after some time into the sea. So they are searching for the new methods in it. The Great Barrier Reef has suffered 4 bleaching events. सबको पता है कि coral bleaching is the major issue right now. Coral से हर बार question they are asking about either the location, either the technology, the new technology are looking for the saving the corals. So this was in the news. The scientists used to use the cryo mesh for freezing coral larva at the Australian Institute of the Marine Sciences. It's the Australian aims जो जहाँ पे इन्होंने इस method को perform किया. It's a cryo mesh. Cryo means for decreasing a low level temperature, and mesh is the structure. Net structure को mesh बोलते हैं. तो इस kind का उन्होंने instrument बनाया. I can show you about this one. This is the type of structure they are making it about, and we are using this structure even to saving the embryo also. Everybody know about the embryo of the plant, embryo of the animals. कुछ टाइम के लंबे टाइम के लिए हमें gametes को भी सेव करना है. We are also using this cryomesh technique for the saving the other things. Similarly, for the preservation of the corals, the scientists are using this technique. Let's see what is the cryomesh exactly. Cryomesh was devised by a team from the University of the Minnesota College of Science and Engineering. This is a lightweight and can be manufactured cheaply. It's better preserve the corals and has the property of the cryoplates and can reach a temperature up to minus 196 degrees Celsius. So it's the name is derived from the cryo, and mesh is derived from its structure. So it's known as the cryo mesh, which can be used for the saving the coral. So there can be the options like which of the following technology can be used for saving the corals: BioRock technology, cryo mesh technology, as well as the other technology, or maybe freeze. हाँ, cryogenic की ही बात, जो cryogenic है वही cryo, to take it as the lowest temperature below the freezing points. And what is the significance? The significance is that can be stored and later reintroduced. कि जो coral damage हो रहे हैं, we can save them for a longer time and we can reintroduce those coral again into the environment. So this is the major benefit of this technique. If we see the question, this was a question in 2022 examination. जिन्होंने भी 2022 का पेपर दिया होगा. BioRock technology is talk about in which of the following situation? It's a restoration of the damaged coral reefs. So it's the first is the only answer. It's a restoration of the damaged coral reef. Instead of the BioRock technology, now the cryomesh was recently mentioned in the news. Cryomesh was recently mentioned in the news. So there can be maybe many options for the space technology, for preservation of the embryo, for preservation of the coral reef. So you can select 1 or 2, 1 or 3, 1, 2 or 3, 2 or 3. According to that, you can select the options.